Hello, it's Jack here again. I'm going to install some Sumo springs on my 2016 Roadtrek Simplicity motorhome. It's on a Dodge 3500 Promaster chassis. These look fairly simple. They're just a coil, actually a coil spring insert, and the coil will just ride down into this groove here. There's not a whole lot of instructions that came with it. This is about it on instructions, and it just says installed. So I guess that's what we're going to do. By the way, I did install their rear springs, and they do work real well, so I decided to put the front springs on also. And let's just see what happens here. Okay, first things first, I'm just going to get a measurement here. And it's looking about 32 and a quarter, about 32 and a quarter inches. We'll measure it when we're done, see what we come up with. There's a jacking point inside. I'm using my floor jack, but there it is. It's got a little hole in it. Your jack that comes with your Promaster has a pin on top that would slide into that little hole. I just didn't feel like dragging out my jack that came with the Promaster. This could be done with that. Anyway, I got the back end blocked up with a yellow block, just to make sure it's safe. Basically, the springs came, has 5 little holes, top and bottom, and I don't think I'm going to be able to reach the top, so it's just going to be the bottom holes that I'm going to be able to reach. And they've got these little tie wraps. They'll slide through those holes once we get it on. Okay, I think I can just spread this here open like that and top it around this one spring. Like this. Well, okay. What I'm doing is that groove right there on the top. I am locating that groove on that spring on the top, and I think what I can do once I do that is just push the rest of it right up on it. Gotta take a little force, but I think it's going actually. The first part popped in. I'm not getting this part in. Let me spin this around. There it is. Now I'm getting it. That little groove right there is going to pop on that spring. I can feel it's already on the top spring. So there it is. It's popped on. And fortunately, I can spin it so I can reach those 2 holes. So these little guys have a right and a wrong. It's got to be like that when you lock it. Can't be like that. So let me put the tie wraps on. I don't think they're going to cinch this down too tight though. I think I'll leave that kind of loose so I can spin it. I don't think there's any way that I could reach those holes in the top to put one on the top. I think basically they're just trying to locate the urethane rubber onto those grooves so it doesn't jump out. If you would go over a big bump where your tire actually came off the ground, the springs totally relaxed, I guess it's possible it could jump out. I don't know, but there's no way I can get that top one up there. Again, I'm not tightening these down very tight because I won't be able to spin this around so I can get those back ones there, which I can really easily. And I'll spin that around, I think. just to put the cap towards the back. There it is. It's all on that spring. It's looking good. So thanks for watching.